Your new LG Smart TV with WebOS is here. Now what? Ask a friend to help you unbox it, not just for the weight, but for the size. If there are tie straps around the box, you can simply cut them off and discard them. Or some people like to take the time to slide them off in one piece. Some LG Smart TV models this year slide right out of the top of the box. So with a small knife or a pair of scissors, carefully cut the tape at the top here. Open the flaps and remove the protective styrofoam you'll find inside, being sure to set aside any items such as manuals and other accessories. Reach in and grab a hold of the bottom edge of the TV, holding it firmly by the edges but without ever putting pressure on the screen. Now lift it straight up and out. We recommend setting the TV screen side down on a clear, flat tabletop covered with either a soft cloth or the protective covering that came over your LG TV. For our larger smart TVs, after removing the straps, you and a friend simply lift the box straight up and off of the TV. From here, the process is largely the same as with the smaller models, removing the top styrofoam, carefully lifting the TV off the box base, and placing it gently onto a flat, covered surface. In both cases, we recommend hanging onto the box if you have room for it, just in case. But first, take the time to check thoroughly for anything included with your TV. The exact contents will vary depending upon which model you purchased and where, so refer to the Quick Start Guide for an accurate listing. Accessories may include the owner's manual, a Smart TV Quick Setup Guide, the power cord, remote control with batteries, 3D glasses if yours is a 3D television, the stand base with stand screws, a set of component video adapter plugs, composite video analog stereo adapter plugs, and a cable holder. The style of the stand for your TV will also vary, so check your enclosed paperwork for instructions on how to attach the stand for your particular model. You'll also see this product registration card, which we encourage you to fill out and mail in to receive the best customer support experience. Or you can register your TV online at www.lgusa.com/register.